This is a new product launched by Beigang Liaoxi VA Market. Rolex National Calendar. You remember the water must-wear GMP. We also call it the left-handed UI watch stem. The opening on the left is black and green. The threading is also used by the threading machine, which is the same as the clean factory's threading. The color difference is also very small. The transition between 6 and 18 is also very strict. The entire window, the teeth will be made more accurately. Other factories will make the teeth wider, and it will be a little larger. Xinling. It is a shape of several covers and several covers. It's a Shiluan brand. And the edge, the gap between the edges will be larger. It will be more in line with the version. The mirror table is also not like other factories, larger chamfer. V-shaped chamfer is smaller. It's closer to the original. The window is also electroplated platinum. There will be no expansion or shedding of accessories or oxidation. These are all done well. If you want to calculate, it's still okay. Just like the one in Colechuan, also uses the same PC material. So it looks sharper. The minute hand is sharp, and the face will be a little rounder. The central axis part is slightly thinner than the original. Everything else is okay. The wide frame will be wider and more three-dimensional. The magnifying glass of Yili is not enlarged, and the magnification will be larger. The overall Yili will be more upright. The expansion is more in line with the original. The magnifying glass looks more comfortable. The Y2156 inside overall is the same as the technology of Kellen Field. The strap is currently a 5-link strap with a back tie. There will also be a 3-link strap version of the entire case. The shell is also made in the V series, which is more authentic. Now it's a new type. The case starts with 126. Unlike other factories that use 116, the lugs are made narrower. If it's the old model, the place where the strap is connected, it will be thicker, and after the back cover is tightened, it will be close. If it's an old model, there will be a higher step, which is also the edge line. The entire outline will also be correct. Some parts are fastened together. It also has chamfered edges. The chamfering and grinding are not very obvious. Many people say that it's not very obvious. The polishing of the buckle of the watch that Coke wears is not as good as the one made by Kellen Factory. The polishing of the entire case is a bit excessive, which is even smoother than the round table. Later, I will bring the original Coke. To compare it, you know that the edge oxidation, the polishing is relatively correct, but when opened, the overall feeling is still okay. It doesn't feel very stiff. The code of the buckle is A9A. Just like the Coke ring, the extension limit of a section is, which is the same as the Coke. The straps are made with the same workmanship, the buckle and the functional part. The movement inside is also a Dandong SHA-285. It provides power for 70 hours, which is the same as the movement of Kim Factory. Both are from Dandong. It's also very durable and very stable. Pulling out the first gear is to adjust the power, which is also adjusted by the hour hand. You can also adjust it backward. These are very smooth and wet. When pulled out to the second gear, the adjustment gap is the same as the original. It's obvious. Ueshi wants to make this GMP needle, borrowed from a green master. It's an extension port. It's not the deep green color. It's a bit like emerald green. These are all done quite well. Shangfada feels great. It's very light. So the overall workmanship of Shan Shui by Chuan is still at the top level. It's well made. It's smooth when pressing down, and double fan. It will also have a sense of strangeness. You can hear the sound. You can feel that it has a sense of qigong. It's not the kind that goes smoothly at once. The tightness of the threading is also better than this. The feel is a little better. The feel is also very good for the overall workmanship. It's worth buying.